Hi everyone. So the revision time is back and so does the confusions and apprehension. So in this MOM session, which is motivation and orientation for MCQ exam, I will be talking about that during the revision whether you should focus more on the theoretical reading or more on solving the MCQs. Okay, this is a common doubt that we come across, that whether we should pay more attention to solve the MCQs or whether we should pay more attention in completing our notes and the other stuff that we are doing. Okay, so now let us talk about this particular confusion, which is a very big challenge during our revision. So when we talk about revision, now we know that the revision means to revisit. So the primary important stuff in a revision is to revise all the things that you have read in your first reading, and that is your notes. Please remember, you should not think too much about reading extra stuff during the revision. But having said that, if you will not practice the MCQs, you will not be able to understand that how much you are able to recall during that time. So a balance is absolutely essential during your revision time. Now this balance varies from student to student, and I believe that during your first revision, this should be 3:1 to 2:1, dependent on a particular understanding of a particular student. Now what is the meaning of this 3:1? Now 3:1 means, let us say that you are reading for 12 hours in a day. So that means it is 9 hours for your theory part or reading for your theoretical stuff and 3 hours for the MCQ. If I am talking about 2:1, then it will be, let's say you are reading 9 hours, so 6 hours for the theory part and 1 part for the MCQ. Now depending on each and individual student that how much time you are able to read, according to that you have to practice it. Now how will you decide that whether you have to do 2:1 or 3:1? That is dependent on how many MCQs that you have done in the past. If you have not done MCQs at all, then you should keep more time for the MCQ, and then this should be 2:1. If you think that you have already started doing the MCQs from the beginning of your preparation, you have done MCQs at least one, then you can keep it to 3:1. Please remember, it should not happen that you are only focusing on the MCQs, or also it should not happen that you are only focusing on the theory part. A balance has to be created. Now, if you have done the MCQs, after doing the MCQs, you also quickly have to go through those questions that you did wrong. Nowadays, everybody gives you the video explanation of all the papers that are available. It is not always mandatory to go through all the video explanation. You can quickly scroll it down to the question that you did wrong, just to check that where you did wrong. Is it a factual error that you have done, or is it a conceptual error that you have done? If the time permit, the same can be added to your notes. It is not mandatory, but if the time permits, the same can be added to your notes. So guys, please remember that there should be a balance. As I always say, there should be a balance in everything. So there should be a balance here also, 2:1 time or 3:1 time, dependent on your circumstances. Okay, please make sure you are revising all the 19 subjects. As I have told you earlier also, if you have made your own revision plan, please follow your own revision plan. If you have not made your own revision plan, we have prepared revision test series for all of you, or a revamping test series for all of you, depending on your level of preparation, depending on the way that you want to do, whether you want to do a subject wise revision or whether you want to revise the subject, multiple subjects at a time. Okay, we are there for all of you. Take care and all the best.